Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to see where your Roblox account is logged in, this is very important for security. I'll show you exactly how to check and secure it. First, open the Roblox app on your phone or log in on your laptop. Tap on More at the bottom right corner on mobile, or go to the top right profile icon on PC. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Security. Here, look for the section called Devices or Active Sessions. This will show you all the devices currently logged into your Roblox account. It may display the device type, location, and the last time it was active. If you see any device that you do not recognize or no longer use, tap on Log Out or Remove. This will immediately log your account out from that device. It's also a good idea to change your password and enable two-step verification. This prevents anyone from logging back in without your approval. You can turn on two-step verification from the same security section. Regularly checking your account activity ensures your Roblox account stays safe and prevents hackers or unauthorized access, as sometimes accounts stay logged in on old devices, or someone else may be using your account without your knowledge. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Roblox security tips and tutorials.